Mounting calls from concerned citizens groups are seeking for Senator Ronald De La Rosa to be taken into custody by law authorities and then sent to The Hague post-haste to face the bar of justice. And a lawyer for one group of petitioners maintains there's no need for a local court to issue its arrest warrant to take De La Rosa into custody. The full report from our RR Tubise.
A group of victims of the war on drugs is calling for the immediate arrest of Senator Bato de la Rosa in connection with the warrant arrest issued by the International Criminal Court or ICC. In a statement, ICC Assistant to Counsel Attorney Cristina Conti said De La Rosa is now considered an alleged suspect at large after the warrant was made public. The group insists that the government should implement the warrant and bring De La Rosa to the ICC in The Hague as soon as possible. According to Conti, a corresponding domestic warrant is no longer needed for the ICC warrant to be enforced. Meanwhile, high school teacher John Barry Tayam went to the Supreme Court to question the alleged use of the Senate as a hiding place for De La Rosa. In his petition, Tayam asked the High Court to declare unconstitutional the Senate resolution that allegedly gives protection to De La Rosa against the arrest. Tayam argued that the Senate should not be used as a shield because there are limits to the immunity of members of Congress under the Constitution.
Isang senador ay immune lamang sa pagka-aresto kung kanyang kasalanan or yung magiging pagkakakulong ay punishable ng less than 6 years lang. However, kapag ikaw ay nakasuhan dito sa RA 9851, ang hatol ay reclusion temporal hanggang reclusion perpetua. So dapat hindi siya pinapayagan ng ating mga senador, lalo ng ating bagong Senate President, kasi magkakaroon tayo ng constitutional crisis.
Tayam directly said that the Senate is protecting De La Rosa.
Yes, opo, obvious naman po kasi nakakita naman po natin, unang-una kaalyado, and at the same time hindi nila pinayagan na maaresto si Senator Bato. Saka nakakalungkot kasi nag-set in contempt sila doon sa mga NBI agents na ginagawa lang naman yung kanilang trabaho.
Meanwhile, PCO Undersecretary Claire Castro responded to the remarks of Vice President Sara Duterte that the attempted arrest of De La Rosa was wrong, just like the arrest of her father, former President Rodrigo Duterte.
Hingin niyo po muna sa kanya ang kanyang basis. At kapag may basis siya at napatunayan naman po niya yan, saka tayo sasagot.
According to Senator Risa Hontiveros, because of the chasing and running that took place, it is saddening and embarrassing that the Filipinos are now laughing at the Senate. To restore public respect, proper process, and accountability in the institution. As of now, the Supreme Court and the Department of Justice have yet to issue a statement on the warrant of arrest against De La Rosa. RR Tubise from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.